Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. My name is Dennis. I know it's been a while. I've not been getting time to create content on the channel, but it's not my fault. Yep. So like I said the other time when I was unboxing the Dell Boss show, that there are going to be more unboxing on the channel this year, I should say. So yeah, I'm coming with yet another unboxing. So this time I'm going to be unboxing one of Acer A514. It's been very much on the market, and then there are various types, depending on the size of the memory, the SSD and all that. So this is one type. It's actually the A514, okay, with an Intel as a processor. So yeah, I'll be going for a quick commercial break. So if you're new to the channel, kindly make sure you subscribe, okay, by clicking on the subscribe button, of course the bell icon, so that I don't miss out on any content that I'm going to upload on the channel right now. So I have my notebook here. I'll be back in a short. Yep, so welcome back for that short break. So let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so this laptop comes with a 1 terabyte hard disk and also an SSD, which is very hard to find in laptops these days, and the price of this laptop it's not that expensive. I mean, with the SSD and the hard disk being in this laptop, and the price that I bought this laptop is not something I say should almost for myself. Okay. Wow. Okay. Okay, so we're almost done. Personally, I can't wait to start working with this laptop. So this is what matters. Like, there's the box. Yeah. Oh, sorry. So these are our charger. Sometimes, because it's not a gaming laptop, it doesn't have this big something, but then the gaming laptops, just like you guys know, they have this big adapter. Yeah, so I'll put that somewhere. And these are manuals. As you can see, there's a manual here, of which I'm not going to go through. Yeah. Are you guys ready? Aye. Start. Yeah. Okay. Wow. This is actually shining. It is shining. Wow. One thing I've realized about Acer is that their finishing is very top class. Looking at the finishing material of this laptop, I mean, it's very nice. This is CSNC. Okay, very nice. Okay, so let's see. We have a Wi-Fi port over here, 2 USB ports, and also it also comes with an HDMI port. Also there's another USB port also over here. So we have like 3 of them, and here is where you put your phones to listen to music or something. Then there's a charger port over here. So let me go ahead and open it. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Let me take off this thing. There's also something to cover the touchpad. I think when I was doing the unboxing with the Dell, it didn't have that option. Like I didn't see anything like that. So yeah, so let me go on into the specification for you guys. So this laptop comes with a processor which is Intel, and then there is Core i5 10th generation, and then also comes with Windows 10 Home. Okay, that's one thing. I wanted to get Windows 11, but then the kind of laptop that I wanted with the memory of the hard disk and the SSD, this is what I got. And then it's very nice, you know, to get SSD of 1 TB and then SSD of 256 and then 1 TB of hard disk is a very good to get it at this price. So you can actually turn it around, like it can be 180 degrees like this. And yeah, so I'll go ahead and turn it on and then see what we have. All right, so I've turned it on. I'm going to go ahead and enter my criteria. Okay, I'm gonna do the settings that I have to do. So yes. Oh, I forgot to take off the turn on the touchpad. Okay. All right. So let me go ahead. Alright guys, so I'm done entering my criteria. I'm waiting for it to get started, and then so thank you very much for watching. If you're new to this channel, kindly make sure to subscribe and click the subscribe button, of course the bell icon, so that you won't miss any video that I'm gonna upload right here. So I'm going to be dropping content on this laptop, how it works with some applications and all that. So stay tuned, and then if there's anything that you want to know, you can drop in the comment section. I'll make sure I look at that and then drop videos on it. So thank you very much for watching, and then see you in my next video. Ciao.